Punta na po tayo dito sa inyo pong bagong album.
Yes. Okay. The new album is called The Crooner Sings Bacharach. Para sa mga bata, ang Bacharach ay hindi game.
Bacharach. Anong po ba ang Bacharach?
Kasi natatawa sila, di ba? Kasi to them, Bacharach is just a game. But anyway, Bacharach, his full name is Burt Bacharach. He's already, I think, 86 years old today. He is a very famous songwriter. At ang mga songs niya, just to give the younger people an idea, siya ang nagsulat ng song, That's What Friends Are For.
Okay.
So in this album, if you notice, itong mga songs na to, I'll mention some songs na hindi alam ng mga tao na siya nagsulat, which is the Carpenter song, Close to You. Why the birds suddenly appear. Siya nagsulat nun.
Siya pala nagsulat.
And then the song nung 80s, ewan ko kung naabutan yung 80s, yung Don't Make Me Over, da-da-da-da. Siya rin nagsulat. Wait. Hindi mo naabutan yun?
Yes.
And then I Say a Little Prayer, The Moment I Wake Up.
Yes.
Siya rin nagsulat nun. And then you have Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. And then I'll Sing You Later, Arthur's Theme. It's a very famous song, pero hindi kasi connected dun sa title. So, pag sinabi mong Arthur's Theme, hindi alam. But
Iba,
when you hear the song, alam mo na, yung
ayun
pala
pala,
yung song.
yes. Okay.
And then the 80s new wave song, Cause There Is Always Something There to Remind Me. Yun, siya rin nagsulat nun.
Favorite ko po yan.
Yun. So, Burt Bacharach actually wrote so many songs na actually in the States, he holds a very big record.
Yes.
Na one of the top siya ng sobra siyang daming Billboard top 40 hits.
Yes.
Yeah. All of these years nung and then there's this song What the World Needs Now. What the world needs now is love, sweet love. Siya rin nagsulat nun. So many songs, so many famous songs.
Yes. Parang nabibitin kami, parang ang sarap hiramin ni Richard Poon at i-play na lang habang naka-headset ka.
Hiramin mo ako, tatawag mo na ako sa asawa ko.
Hindi, MP3 lang, parang MP3, human MP3 na katabi mo habang matutulog ka at kakantahan ka ng ganyan kahit paulit-ulit ang tracks, okay lang, diba? Ang ganda. No, baka hindi ako makalabas dito. Hindi, yun lang po. Talagang hinahangaan ko po ang ganda at husay niyo po sa pag-awit. Okay po. Ayan.
Salamat. At balita ko, aawitan mo ako.
Ay, hindi po! Sa inyo mo na balita.
Sabi ng staff kanina,
mali
ito
po
ang unang-unang beses nakakantahan mo raw kami. Sample, sasampulan mo raw kami.
Hindi ba? Parang nayala ko lang bigla.
Tama ba yan? Kailangan bigyan, palakpakan nyo naman si Azel. First time niya tayong bibigyan ng sample. One line lang, one line.
Hindi, aaminin ko po mahusay po akong tumula pero hindi umawit.
Tumula!
Hindi, sa totoo lang po, hindi ako nung kumanta.
Sige
Shy type po ang lola nyo. Okay po, Richard Poon, baka may mga gigs po kayo na gustong ipang-invite sa mga friends natin.
Yes, this November, magsa-start na yung aming mall show. So November 14, I'll be at Robinson's Las Piñas. And then that's a Friday. And then Saturday, November 15, nasa SM Marikina ako. And then Sunday, November 16, nasa SM Fairview. Yan, Fairview yan. At November 23, nasa SM Lanang Davao ko. And then November 29, Robinson's Magnolia. Yun.
Kabisado nyo po ang mga gigs ninyo.
Halata mo?
Yes, obvious po. Ayan, baka may mga gusto ba kayong invite sa mga friends po natin, yung social media po ninyo?
Yeah, for those of you who have Twitter tsaka Instagram, my name is Richard Poon PH kasi merong Richard, merong teacher na Richard Poon sa Hong Kong at merong congressman or councilor sa Canada na Richard Poon din. So, baka mawala kayo. So, Richard Poon PH, Pilipinas, kayo. So, Twitter and Instagram. Facebook naman, I usually handle the fan page kasi mas marami akong tao makakausap doon. It's RP Music. Sa
RP
Facebook.
Music.
RP Music. Ako yung nagsumasagot ng mga messages na.
Ayan. Okay na po. Wala na po. Ayan. May song po kayo para sa amin, syempre. Hindi namin palalampasin ang araw na to na hindi kayo kumanta.
This song is one of the Carey singles nung it's a song written by Burt Bacharach with Christopher Cross. Christopher Cross is another singer. And I'm sure pag kinanta ko to, maaalala nyo kung ano siya. So, it's a song called Arthur's Theme.
Arthur's Theme. Okay. Yeah. Ayan po, friends. Pakinggan na natin si Richard Poon para sa kanyang song na Arthur's Theme.
Once in your life you find her Someone who turns your heart around, and next thing you know, you're closing down the town. Wake up and she's still with you, even though you're left way across town, wondering to yourself, hey, what have I found? If you get caught between the moon and New York City, I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love. Arthur, he does what he pleases. All of his life, his master's toys. Deep in his heart, he's just a boy, living his life one day at a time. He's showing himself a really good time. He's laughing about the way they want him to be. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, best that you can do is fall in love. New York City, I know it's crazy, oh, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, best that you can do is fall in love. The best that you can do is fall in love. Thank you.
Letters and Music.